Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple dessert which tastes fresh and fruity and only takes a couple of minutes to prepare. The ingredients are unsweetened plain yogurt, whipped cream, frozen raspberries, 1 lemon, cane sugar, white sugar, a pinch of salt and a gelling agent. Today I'm using agar agar instead of gelatin, which is a vegetarian substitute, but if you don't have agar agar, don't worry, gelatin works just fine. From the lemon I take the zest, and I'll be careful to only take the yellow parts and not the white parts because they taste bitter. And then I take the juice of 1/2 of the lemon and I fill it up with 50 ml of water. Then I mix the yogurt and the lemon zest and I whip up the cream until it's firm. So now I got here in total 70 ml of lemon juice and water, and I put in 2 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of salt and the agar agar and mix everything together. So the mixture of water, lemon juice and agar agar needs to boil up, and then I let it boil for at least 2 minutes until the agar agar has developed its gelling ability, and without boiling that won't happen. I let it cool down for 5 minutes, so that's not boiling hot anymore, and then I mix it with the yogurt. In the beginning it's still runny, but you'll see in a matter of seconds it will get nice and creamy. I can put in the whipped cream immediately, and that's when I feel it's starting to set and my dessert is almost done. So now I can fill up my dessert glasses with 1 tablespoon of raspberries, 1 teaspoon of cane sugar and the yogurt cream. At this point the raspberries are still slightly frozen, but in a matter of 30 minutes they are thawed completely. Now it's time to enjoy a fresh and fruity dessert which you can prepare in only 15 minutes and to mark the end of a really nice dinner. So what do you think about this simple and tasty dessert? Please leave a comment and let me know. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to not miss the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!